This is the city that I already live. So yes, I want to show you how it looks like today here in Cincinnati particularly. So I have a beautiful view today at the moment right now. So yes, I want to show you the pretty things that we have here already, okay? This is how it looks like today already. Thus, we don't see anything for already, cars, something like that. So, the lights, the cars are really opening, and you can see everything there. Well, okay. Look at this. This is so pretty. It's really pretty what I show you right now at the moment. Okay, that's amazing stuff already for. Okay, that's good thing for. Look at this. It's a wonderful view already. Wonderful view. See, look at the sun. How it looks like. So pretty too. So it's amazing stuff already here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Well, that's it. I want to show you, okay? Thank you. Bless. I will show you everything more, okay? After, okay? See ya. Bye.